Joanne's Kitchen. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, I have reservation.
Okay, ma'am. May I know the name under the reservation?
Under my name, Arlene Ames.
Okay, ma'am. Let me check it first. Okay, ma'am. Let me take you to your seat. This way, please. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you want some cold water?
Yeah, sure.
Afternoon, ma'am. I am Trisha Angeles, your food server for today. It's my pleasure to serve you, and I hope you enjoy your meal. Thank you. Today, ma'am, this is our food menu, and I will suggest to you our best food. For your beverage, I suggest to you our bestseller, buko juice with pure coconut water and coconut strips, and also it contains milk and less sugar. For your appetizer, I suggest to you our potato fries with cheese sauce. For your soup, I suggest miswa with pork meatballs. For your wine, I suggest Perrine Reserve Côtes du Ranraj that is made from France. And for your pasta, I suggest to you our creamy carbonara. And for your rice meal, I suggest to you our sisig silog. And for your dessert, I suggest to you our creamy halo-halo.
For my beverage, I ordered buko juice. And for my appetizer, I ordered potato fries, cheese sauce. For my soup, I ordered creamy sopas. For my wine, I ordered Perrine Reserve Côtes du Ranraj. For my pasta, I ordered creamy carbonara. And for my dessert, I ordered halo-halo.
Okay, ma'am. I repeat your order. For your beverage, you ordered buko juice with less sugar. For your appetizer, you ordered potato fries with cheese sauce. For your soup, you ordered creamy sopas. For wine, you ordered Perrine Reserve Côtes du Ranraj. For pasta, you ordered creamy carbonara. And for dessert, you ordered halo-halo. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
Hello, ma'am. This is your order. Hey, ma'am, can I clean your plate now?
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your ordered wine. Hello, ma'am. This is your ordered wine, Perrine Reserve Côtes du Ranraj, that consists of 750 ml and 13% of alcohol, and it is made from France. This rich, full-bodied Côtes du Ranraj is produced by Perrine Brothers. It is made from Grenache, Syrah, Mourvèdre, and Cinsault grapes, selected in part of their own vineyards and part of some of the best vineyards in affiliation. Should I open this bottle for you, ma'am?
Yes, thank you. Di yan. Lagyan naman ng sound.
Hello ma'am, this is your ordered halo-halo. Excuse me ma'am, can I clean your table now?
Yes, thank you.
Here's your bill ma'am, please sign it here. Thank you. Thank you so much for dining with us. I hope you enjoy your meal. God bless and enjoy your day.